So we are in Namibia, the southwest country in the African continent. And this is the Namib Desert in NamiBrand Nature Reserve. Is that right? Yeah.
Nature Reserve, yeah.
NamiBrand Nature Reserve. And it's about 2 hours away from the famous Sosuvle Desert area. But this is beautiful in its own right. There's several properties, camps and lodges named Wolwedans or Wolwedans with a W. And so you see over here, that's the Desert Lodge. But right now they're being renovated, so there's no one there. And then separated a little bit is here, let me back up, is the Mountain View Suite. And what this is a private suite within the Desert Lodge, where you get a private guide and a vehicle and a chef. So it's kind of a mini property onto its own, although you can use the facilities in the Desert Lodge. And so you walk in, and this is the main dining area. So it's separated into 3 areas: a dining room, living room, and a bedroom. So this is probably an easier way to show it. Okay, and then let's go to the living room. Or here's the kitchen with Selma, our chef. Hello. And so again, you dine here, and they'll cook whatever suits your fancy. There's a fridge fully stocked: beer, soda, juice, water, champagne, wine, milk. And our guide, Jakes. Hello. So because again, the Desert Lodge is undergoing renovation, really it's the 4 of us that it's like we're on our own desert island. So anyway, so this is the living area. And I'll show you the view from here. Again, this is the lodge over there. The landscape is absolutely gorgeous. We've been to a lot of deserts, and you might think a desert is a desert, but it's certainly not. And even within the Namib Desert, there's quite the variety of landscapes and topography, as well as wildlife that you'll see. And then let me walk down so you can get a better view of the mountain views. Well, first of all, the landscape. It's more of a subtle safari experience where you appreciate the harshness of the land and how humans and just wildlife in general survive in an environment like this. So it's not like Kenya, the Masai Mara, where you're just going to see everything like a Disneyland type of wildlife experience, which admittedly is awesome too. And we've done that and we've loved it. So here's the pool. And then so you walk over here, this was the living area. To the right, which I haven't shown you yet, is the bedroom. You see that 4-poster bed. The other cool thing about this place is because it's a desert, no mosquito netting, which is very unusual for a safari camp because it's too dry for mosquitoes. And then here's the bathroom. Dual sink. Here's the shower. And then here's where you store your stuff. And then here is the toilet. So anyways, this is the Wolwedans Mountain View Suite, which is on the premises of the Wolwedans Desert Lodge. Where you get a private experience with a guide, driver, vehicle, and chef. And this time, because the Desert Lodge is closed, we have this all to ourselves. All right, Wolwedans in NamiBrand Nature Reserve in Namibia.